In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Google Chrome. The first thing to do is head on to this top right corner here. Click on these three dots. Scroll down to settings. Click on settings. Then right here on this screen, click on privacy and security. Scroll down. Click on delete browsing data. Now you can select the time range you want. This is last 15 minutes. Now what this simply means is the time range that you want to delete the data for. So you can choose last 1 hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or you can just click more and click all time, or maybe even last 4 weeks. Now once that is done, what you want to do is check the boxes for the data you want to delete. These ones are already checked. If you want, you can just uncheck, or check, because you can click on show more here. This window will expand. Then you can check and check. Just keep, once you're satisfied and you're finally done checking the boxes you want to delete data for, all you just need to do is come over here on delete data, click on delete data, and it says last 7 days deleted. So that is it. Your data has been, your cache has been deleted, and everything works well. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well. Thank you, and see you in the next one.